Hello YouTube and welcome back to the channel. Today we have something new in the garage. This is the new John Cooper Works, traded in the GP, sold it. So today we're going to change the mirror caps. We're going to replace them with some of these. John Cooper Works, a little red stripe in there. JCW, and we're going to get started and show you how to pop these off, and we'll get right on that. Okay, now let's get started. This side's gonna be pretty simple. All we have to do is pull it off and hopefully put the other one back on again. I think if you just grab hold of it. There you go, pops right off. Let's get a rag to clean this off. Is there anything in there? I believe you just simply guide this thing on. It's that simple. Pull off the plastic. There we go. There's a nice little red stripe to match this one here. And now we'll go do the other side. The other side's a little bit more difficult. Because I have the little Mini Cooper light up on the ground, we have to, if you can see that, we have to cut this out. Okay, let's try and see if we can pull this one off easily without having to use a pry tool. See if I can do the same thing I did on the other side. That's pretty easy. And you can see this side has the hole for the mini projector down here at the bottom. So we'll have to cut the other one out, or I'm going to drill it out, and then we'll pop it on. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is I punched a hole through here with my pick, as you can see. I pushed it through this side here. What we'll do is I'm going to get a drill, and we're going to drill out this portion, and then we'll file it down to how we need it. Okay, so let's drill it from the outside here. We're getting close, as you can see, right there. Maybe one more little. Yep, and then I'm just going to file that down. Let's check on, I want to check the other one just to see what kind of hole. I think it was shaped like that. Well, I can't seem to find my other file, so this one will have to do. Let's see, maybe we can file it. Okay. Looks pretty good. Let's give a little spritz. Okay, there's our hole. All right. Let's see if this will go on. As easy as the other one. good. Okay. There we go. It's in. Okay, so now let's see if our hole is good enough. We'll see if the mini sign comes up. And there it goes. There it is. After I installed it, I noticed a whole bunch of little scratches on the very top. It looks like this particular mirror cap had been opened. It didn't come in the plastic wrap like the other one did. So I went ahead and just gave it a little buff and got most of it all out, so it looked pretty good when I was finished. There you go. That's a lot better. Still some scratches in there. If you could actually see. And a bunch of little micro scratches in this new piece. I think the box is open. And there you have it. So, installed the mirror caps. There's going to be plenty more on the new Mini. Super happy with it. I'll do a whole driving video soon. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, please subscribe and hit the like button. See you later.